What's up, YouTube? This is Chris back again with another video. This is my second video today. I don't know what this is. It's a Goodwill. I know it's from Goodwill, shopgoodwill.com, electronics, but I'm not sure exactly what it is. I gotta open it. We opening it together. But like, comment, subscribe. The link to my eBay, Mecari, and Poshmark, as well as the Cashapp if you want to donate, is in the description. So I don't want to hold you up. Without further ado, let's get into. Excuse me. They have a lot of stuff that I got coming in on eBay, and I buy off eBay, I buy off Goodwill, I buy off everywhere. I usually buy it in bulk, but this I get. It's mostly electronics. I get on Goodwill.com. I usually shop in the electronic category because they easy sellers. Oh, some of these is already sold. I got to ship it out today. It's already sold before it even got here. This is a eufy vacuum cleaner. It's complete. It's kind of dusty. You should get a good look at it. They all used, nothing new. Need a good cleaning. Just need a good cleaning. That's the Robo vacuum cleaner. It's the charger. Complete. So if you want to buy this, you're interested in, I get it cleaned up for you, ship it out to you. What is this? Oh, this is the replacements and the manuals for it. And that's complete with everything. That's ready to go. This stuff be looking smaller on the video. I mean, it looks so big when it be on the website, but when you get it here, it's so small. These are a couple of Amazon devices, 3 Amazon devices: an Echo Dot, an Echo speaker, and the Echo Show 5. Already sold. I put it up on auction, sold for $65. I think I paid $35 for it. I could have got a lot more if I would have waited and waited till they got here and put them on individually. But I knotted them all together and they sold for $65. So I'm not mad. I paid $35, maybe $15, $20 after fees. This is the Show 5. I don't even know why I'm taking out the package. I should have left it wrapped up. I gotta ship it out. Go to let's see, the Echo Dot, brand new, never open. See, factory seal, never open. So somebody got a good deal on this in the eBay auction. And this is brand new, actually brand new. I think this is the gray one. Brand new, sealed also. I don't know how much they go individually, but I be trying to move stuff out. I don't like sitting on stuff, so I take the cash and run. Because I don't have that much space right now. I need to upgrade my storage. But yeah, that's the second video. The first video, I did the iPods. I just did it. I'm dropping them all in one day, so it's gonna be 4 videos in one night. So you think I'm wearing the same clothes, and it's not. It's the same. It's the same video, just split up in 4 different parts. So That's 4, right? Oh, thought I did 5. Bro man, 5th floor. Martin, y'all know Martin. But yeah, that's that. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit the Cash App if you want to donate to the channel, to the cause. Motivational Beats 365.